Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to the benchmark test in the Moto X8 Pro device on the day one after the unboxing. And right now I did purchase this device from the Flipkart sale during the Republic Day sale, and the phone comes with the Dimensity 8350 Extreme processor, and this is a 8GB and 256GB RAM version which I'm going to use in this video. 8GB RAM and the 256GB storage. Let's see friends how much benchmarks you can actually expect. And right on the battery percentage is of 100% in the Moto X8 Pro, and the temperature is also kind of pretty good, normal. So let's start the benchmark test and let's find out what's going on with the temperature readings in the Moto X8 Pro. So here's a quick look at the temperature readings on the Moto X8 Pro. As you can see right now, it reached up to 38 degrees Celsius while doing this benchmark test. So with that Dimensity 8350 Extreme, so these are the temperature readings in the beginning, at the end of the test results. So I can be back after some time once the benchmark test has been completed. We'll try to discuss the benchmark scores. So finally friends, we got the benchmark scores in the Moto X8 Pro device. So these are benchmark scores using the latest version of 11 in the 2026, and the battery dropped by 4%, and you can see the maximum temperature how much it got increased while doing this testing. So this is the overall review of the performance in the Moto X8 Pro. The temperatures did increase slightly high, close to like 37 and 38 degrees Celsius. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next video, more updates, and bye.